Forecast.
Well, from 60s and 70s over the weekend to snow-covered everything today. Yeah, winter whiplash. You're looking at a live view from outside our NBC29 studios here on East Market Street in downtown Charlottesville. And yes, we do have icy concerns here for the overnight. Let's talk about and show some of the pictures. It was certainly coming down this morning. There's a scene from Route 53 near Lake Monticello from C. Winston as the snow was coming down this morning. Yeah, we did have snowfall rates that were 1 to 2 inches per hour for a while. Here's a nice shot. This one actually from Bob Yo, and that's looking up at some of the trees there in Ivy, and there's another scene there across the region. So yeah, some beautiful pictures that were sent in. Temperatures at this hour are generally in the mid and upper 20s, and boy, with that snow cover on the ground and the clear skies, these numbers are going to continue to fall pretty quickly. General snowfall amounts were about 6 to 9 inches with locally higher numbers. There's a review of the satellite and radar combination. Throughout the morning, we're dealing with snow. Around the noontime, 1 o'clock hour, activity was shifting off to our east, and now we've got the clear skies and we've got the cold temperatures. So it will be a frigid overnight. Temperatures down in the low and mid-teens, and again, icy concerns certainly to deal with, and slow going for tomorrow. For highs here for Tuesday, we'll call it well-chilled sunshine. Most of us will hold numbers in the mid to upper 30s. So the next, really the rest of the week, we'll deal with the freeze and thaw cycle, so something to be mindful of. So mid and upper 30s tomorrow, a lot of sunshine. Still a cold start early Wednesday morning, upper teens and low 20s. More cloud cover builds in here on Wednesday with highs in the 40s. A front coming through brings in the cloudiness, and we'll still have clouds on Thursday. And while the day is dry, Thursday night into the pre-dawn hours of Friday, another storm system looks to bring winter weather. This one looks smaller than the one that we just dealt with this morning, but we could have some accumulating snow here late Thursday night, early on Friday. There's our storm exiting the coast here tonight, still clipping Cape Cod, but moving away. High pressure building in its wake. And again, we have a pattern now that's out of the northwest in terms of the colder air pouring in. Of course, most of December we had southwesterly winds aloft and at the surface driving those temperatures well above average. Now we've got temperatures below average for change. Again, it is winter, it is January. So in the morning, icy conditions, temperatures in the low and mid-teens, and we'll have well-chilled sunshine here for Tuesday afternoon, but highs only in the mid to upper 30s. Still a very cold night as we start Wednesday morning, upper teens and low 20s. More cloud cover builds in during the day on Wednesday ahead of this next front, low to middle 40s for highs. That same front lays down a foundation of some chillier air, and then as we get into late Thursday night and early Friday, we could either have a little mix changing over to snow or rain changing over to snow, taking us into the pre-9 hours of Friday, and we could have some accumulation at that time. It turns even colder as we move into Friday and the start of the weekend. Teens here tonight, low and mid-teens across the region. Icy conditions tomorrow, mostly sunny, well chilled, temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. So we'll deal with the freeze and thaw cycle here the rest of this week. Temperatures below average for a change, but it is January. And looking ahead, Casey will watch that system here for Thursday night and early on Friday. Another cold blast here to end the week and start the weekend, and perhaps another system to deal with on Sunday. That could begin as an icy mix before going over to rain. So a lot to keep up with, and again, winter is here. Flexing its muscle this week.
It sure is. Thank you so much, Eric. We will